For a lot of traders, it can be really difficult to grow your account, especially when your starting balance is small to begin with. That's why the idea of going with a company that offers a funded trading account can suddenly seem really quite interesting. There are quite a few different options for proprietary firms and companies that offer funding for traders, and in this video I'm going to share more about the company The 5%ers and what benefits they can really offer you as a trader. So stick around. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking with you about the 5%ers proprietary trading firm. Now I've got a link below if you want to find out some more information about them, and that link will also give you a 5% cashback discount if you decide to sign up with the 5%ers. But first, what are the 5%ers? The 5%ers are a private fund and a growth program who work with Forex traders, providing funds for their trading on a profit share basis, provided that they pass the qualification process, which I'm going to cover a little bit more about in the video. There are also some incredible benefits that the 5%ers offer traders through their funding program, which I'm going to cover more, but first, let's explore the qualification process in more detail. So there are two main options for their qualification program, and you can either go with the risk manager option or with the aggressive trader option. So step one is to choose one of these options. The risk manager program is designed more for the disciplined trader. It is a more relaxed approach and it has different requirements for the qualification process, which includes a 6% profit target or 7% for larger funding accounts with a 4% max loss on your account. So if you hit a 4% loss during the qualification process, that's it, you're done. When you are trading, a mandatory stop loss is required, and they do provide a lower leverage for this option of 1 to 6. So you will have 6 times the buying power of your account. For the risk manager program, you have 180 days, which is equivalent to about 6 months to either hit your target or hit your max loss. And within that time period, 20 days of those have to be actively traded. On the other hand, the aggressive trader option, as you can probably guess, is for the more aggressive trader. The requirements are slightly different and it may work better for you, it may not, depending on your strategy. The aggressive trader program has a slightly higher profit target of 12%, with the same max loss of your account of 4%. With the aggressive trader program, you don't actually have to use a mandatory stop order for your trading. And you also get access to higher leverage, so you get 1 to 30 times the buying power on your account. However, with this option you do have slightly less time to hit your targets, which equates to about 60 days or 2 months. These two different options provide flexibility for traders, so it really does cater to your style of trading. Once you choose which type of program best suits you, the next step of the qualification process is to choose the amount of funding that you want to receive in your account. Now, when you do sign up to go through the qualification process, although you will receive access to a live funded account, you do need to pay a one-time participation fee, which, depending on the account size you go for, does increase in value. So if you want to trade a smaller account size, the one-time fee is slightly cheaper than if you want access to the large account size. So sometimes the larger account size might not be better for you if you have a slightly smaller budget. The different account funding options include $24,000, $40,000, $52,000 and $80,000. Once you choose which account funding you want to go with, the level 1 of the qualification process that you need to pass using the requirements I mentioned before actually means that you start with a quarter of that chosen account size. So for example, if you want to go with the $52,000 funding option, you will start level 1 with a $13,000 account size. Depending on which program you go with, you then have your set amount of time to be able to hit your profit targets or hit your max loss. If you succeed and pass your profit target, then you actually qualify to level 2, which is where you have 4 times the account and access to that original account funding. If you are fortunate to pass level 1, pass the qualification process and proceed on to level 2, where you have access to the 4 times account funding that you originally signed up to, then it becomes a little bit more comfortable because you don't have any set targets. You're always going to have that 4% max loss because we want to follow good risk management practice anyway as traders. But effectively you have access to a funded trading account. Now, each month where you receive a profit from your trading, you will then receive 50% of those profits at the end of the month, or usually the start of the following month. So it is a 50% split with the 5%ers and yourself. This might seem like quite a steep profit cut. However, there are also some really interesting benefits that go along with that. So the 5%ers have an incredible growth program for their traders. And what this means is that they give you milestones, and once you reach those, your account funding gets increased. So for every 10% that you make on your account, the fivers will double your account. Now, this can give some really amazing results. If you are consistently making 10% a month, then the following month your account size will double, and obviously your profits will double with it. Now, if you're not making 10% a month, let's say that you make 3% in the second month after qualifying, followed by another 3% the month later, and then finally 4%, that still adds up to 10%. So at the end of that point, your account will still be doubled. And this is the power of compound interest, is that if you can consistently create profits on this account, you'll be able to work towards doubling your account, and the fivers will repeat this process all the way until you are managing a 1,280,000 account. So if you're trading that account size and you're only receiving half the profits, I don't know about you, but that still sounds like an amazing opportunity to me. Here are some other benefits of using the 5%ers as your funding program. Now, I've just covered the amazing growth program that they offer within their funding. But another thing that lets them stand out is that they also provide some really useful resources for traders. And what I like about the 5%ers is that they seem to genuinely care, because at the end of the day, if you're not making money, then they're not making money. They want you to succeed because they want to share the profits with you. And in order for that to happen, they share a lot of resources on their website to help get you started and to help keep you going. So these include some different webinars where they share some live trading analysis, so you have the support of a community. There are also some different tuitional videos. There's a free course available on their site as well if you're thinking about getting involved with them but you're not quite sure, as well as some useful articles and online support. Another benefit of the 5%ers is the fact that they give you a live trading account from day one. Other trading firms will often just give traders a demo to trade, and it's just not the same. Whereas with the 5%ers, you start on day one with a live trading account. You start as you mean to go on. And if you pass level 1, then you're going to get paid. Another super bonus that really appealed to me is the flexibility that the 5%ers give you, because a lot of other trading firms will have quite a lot of rules and regulations that you need to follow, such as the fact that you're not allowed to hold positions at the weekend, or you're not allowed to trade with news. Whereas the 5%ers don't have any kind of restrictions like this. They are a very flexible firm, so they allow you to trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can hold positions overnight, and you can even hold positions over the weekend. They also allow you to trade through economic news releases. So if this is your strategy, then this firm will be able to cater for you. 5%ers offer realistic, achievable targets, and they offer regular monthly payouts provided that you earn a profit. And although there is a one-time participation fee to get started in their program, there are no further fees or costs after this other than the 50% profit split. So it does make it a very affordable option for traders who have a really small account to be able to really maximize their growth with their trading. If you want to find out some more information about the 5%ers, I've included a link below, and if you decide to sign up with a funded account with them, using that link, you'll also get a 5% cashback discount. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you've come across them before, or if you've traded with them before, share your views in the comments below. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye!